Welcome to Bitcoin this week.
And today's headlines: Expedia cancels crypto payments, Homeland security agents infiltrate the dark web, jury is out on Chinese blockchain ruling, and Poland finds itself the setting for the latest Bitcoin bank battle. Okay, so let's get started. The Polish Bitcoin Association has demanded that the Financial Regulatory Authority investigate 15 banks it accuses of denying banking services to over 50 entities operating in the crypto sphere.
The association, which called the actions of the banks disgraceful, also alleged that the accounts of 25 entities have been closed.
Yes, now Poland's fourth largest bank, which is called mBank, was singled out as being particularly hostile towards the crypto industry, allegedly denying services to no less than 12 companies.
The Office of Competition and Consumer Protection has yet to confirm if it will investigate the complaints.
Yes, now as we know, the crypto exchanges are perfectly legal under Polish law, although companies have found themselves with little choice but to move to friendlier jurisdictions as the difficulties in securing basic banking services have made it almost impossible to operate in Poland.
Now let's get some news from China. A court in that country has ruled that files stored on blockchain can be used as evidence in a manner similar to legally attested documents. As we know, data on blockchain cannot be changed. But this ruling, delivered by Internet Court in Hangzhou province, is thought to be the first time this has been tested before a judge.
Yeah, now this is a really interesting case. The case was taken by a local media company which alleged a Shenzhen competitor had breached copyright. It presented screenshots of documents it had stored with a blockchain deposition company, which it claimed authenticated the details in a manner similar to an affidavit.
The question before the courts was whether these screenshots could be used as evidence. In affirming their validity, the judge commented that there was no reason why such technology couldn't be used in evidence on case-by-case basis.
Yes, and this decision could make pleasant reading for blockchain enthusiasts. However, those hoping that it will replace lawyers in the near future should probably just keep that champagne on ice for the time being.
The U.S. Justice Department has revealed that its agent infiltrated criminal gangs by posing as crypto traders on the dark web. In an operation that lasted over a year, Homeland security agents posed as criminals willing to launder U.S. dollars for virtual currencies. The sting, which also involved U.S. immigration, postal, drug enforcement, and Secret Service officials, has led to 90 open criminal cases around the country.
That's a lot of open criminal cases there. The Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein said criminals who think that they are safe on the darknet are wrong. Later, he revealed that 35 darknet vendors had been arrested and that $26.5 million worth of Bitcoin was seized, along with Bitcoin mining equipment, gold bars, fiat currencies, and illegal drugs.
The success of the operation encouraged investigators who have struggled to stem the tide of illegal substances surfacing from the secretive internet world.
Yeah, very interesting story there. Okay, so before we get to the prices roundup, we've got a story about Expedia cancelling crypto payments.
Yeah, holidaymakers were left feeling let down after confirmation that the online travel booking platform Expedia has dropped Bitcoin as a payment method.
Yes, now the move was confirmed earlier in the week, although Expedia has actually been denying Bitcoin payments since June the 8th.
There has been speculation that the recent suspension of Coinbase merchant tool was the reason behind this decision.
Now, the move clears the way for Bitcoin haters who will doubtless call this an example of the virtual currency's unsuitability, I guess you could call it, as a payment method. Now, for more on this story, we're joined by Simon Cocking, the editor-in-chief of CryptoCoin.News.
Hi, Simon. So, do you think other companies will follow the same path?
Hi, yes. I mean, today we're just talking about Expedia not taking Bitcoin as a payment method. And while some might look to read bigger trends into that, I think we're going to see a lot of chopping and changing. And sometimes I think this is going to happen because maybe they're looking to develop their own payment system. So I wouldn't necessarily see it that it's a rejection of crypto payments or Bitcoin, but there may be more going on behind the scenes. And I think, payments is the biggest area of innovation for cryptocurrencies, but at the same time, it's a very dynamic space. So, yes, they're not taking it, but it would be interesting to find out specific reasons for them. And I don't think we can yet draw wider industry conclusions about that yet, because many other sites are taking Bitcoin now, which didn't used to.
Oh, that was very interesting. Thank you very much, Simon. That was Simon Cocking there, the editor-in-chief of CryptoCoin.News. Okay, so let's get to those prices.
Yeah, there were fewer shocks on the markets this week, which will give some relief to traders who have seen the currency lose over $1,500 since the start of June.
Yes, last Monday, the market opened at $6,171 after huge weekend losses. Those hoping for a quick recovery were disappointed, really, with highs of just above 6,000 midweek and lows below the critical support level. However, better news followed at the weekend with a $500 increase on Saturday, and it was in the green again on Sunday, seeing out the week trading for just under $6,400.
Without any significant shocks to report this week, the Bitcoin market has rallied somewhat, although its Friday plunge wiped large amounts from the market.
Yes, and finally, there was some good news too, with the announcement that Facebook has reversed its decision to ban crypto advertising, leading to a bounce back in prices at the end of the week. And that's all we have for you on Bitcoin this week. I'm Tom Bell.
I am Maria Wowchuk.
Don't forget to subscribe for more.
And see you next time.